is meaningless. What's the point of your coldness? I cannot sleep with your eyes on me, they burning. So that you know me in and out. Need you to push back all those sprouts of insecurity. I won't have it to emphasize that. If only I could find myself inside all this ghostly mind. Will you stay so seamlessly in fade here within my maze? You are my Loch Ness. People have heard of you, but no one knows you. You hide the darkest secrets that I've got. We're hiding out in the deep